jungle journey.
Hi, little adventurers! Are you ready to meet one of the most playful animals in the water? Today, we are hanging out with the adorable and splashy otter. Let's dive into some fun facts, play a guessing game, and even move like otters. Let's make a splash and get started! Otters are nature's little swimmers. They love to play in the water and can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes while diving to catch food. Talk about underwater champion. And look at this. Otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift away. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Otters are super smart. They use rocks to crack open clams and crabs, making them nature's little tool users. How cool is that? Otters live near rivers, lakes, and even along the ocean coast. They build their homes called dens near the water so they can swim anytime they want.
It's time to party!
And guess what? Otters are mammals, just like us. That means they have fur, breathe air, and take care of their babies. Otters are carnivorous, which means they eat meat. Their favorite foods are fish, crabs, and clams. They can eat up to 25% of their body weight in a day. That's like eating 100 hamburgers. Okay, time for fun guessing game. What sound do otter makes? Is it A, a bark like a dog? B, a chirping sound like a bird? Or C, a moo like a cow? If you guess B, you're right. Otters chirp and squeal to communicate. It's their way of talking to their friends and family. Isn't that adorable? Now let's move like otters. Lay on the floor and pretend you're floating on your back. Wiggle your arms like you're paddling in the water. Can you spin and play just like an otter? Great job! Wow, otters are such playful and clever animals. Thanks for splashing along with me today. What animal should we explore next? Let us know in the poll coming up soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more animal fun. Bye-bye, little explorers!